Hello and welcome from everybody here at AMT Specialist Cars in Leeds. Many thanks for taking the time to watch my video, and I do hope that you're all well. Our latest arrival is this 2021 71 registered Tesla Model 3. This is the dual motor long range version, and it's finished in this beautiful phantom black paintwork, and it's complemented with a full black leather interior. The car's covered 24,160 miles, and it comes with an impressive specification. So look inside the back there and then into the front on the more sort of sports style seats. Probably one of the comfiest seats I've ever sat in on the Model 3, if I'm honest. And then over onto that iconic dashboard. Such things as your panoramic fixed glass sunroof. We've got satellite navigation. And in terms of parking aids, we've got your front and rear sensors, your side view cameras and your rear view camera. And there's just a confirmation of the mileage there and the standard autopilot. We've got a power tailgate. Lots of space in a Model 3 for an electric car, I must admit. As we walk around, you'll see the nice smoked grey alloy wheels there. Fantastic drives, these cars. If you've not driven one, I urge you to come and have a test drive. Thank you ever so much for taking the time to watch the video. I do hope it was of some use to you. If you have any questions at all, please do give the award-winning sales team in Leeds a call. Many thanks.